BMF.
Mom, Dad, welcome back to BigMusicGames.com. My name's Nate Shaw. I am a co-founder here at the Brooklyn Music Factory, and I'm a chief game architect. Love games, build games every day, play games every day. The game you're going to play today is called Rhythm Song Clapback. This is an amazing game. First of all, how do you play the game? Well, you, your child, together, all you got to do is press play on the video. You watch and you listen and you clap back what you hear. That's it. It's just a listen and repeat, a watch and repeat. Clap that back. Now, why is Rhythm Song Clapback such an important game? We've been playing this game at all 15 levels for, about 8, nearly 10 years we've been playing this game. Again, think about music in 3 pillars of knowledge. You're strengthening your rhythm, you're strengthening your melody, and you're strengthening your harmony. Think about those pillars of knowledge. Rhythm is so key. So Rhythm Song Clapback, why it's so important is because, number one, it forces every one of our micro musicians to focus their ears. The Rhythm Song Clapback melodies are going to get longer and longer and longer and longer, and your micro musician is going to get super challenged to stay engaged and focused. Number two, it's about building rhythmic fluency. Our musicians have been playing this game for years because they are getting super comfortable with listening and recognizing what a rhythm is, just using their ears. Remember, music is an oral art form. It is not a visual art form. It's all about strengthening these guys. Rhythm Song Clapback. Have fun leveling up on BigMusicGames.com.